If you've ever wasted time trying to save a bad video before even starting to edit, this video is for you. Shaky footage, blurry video, noise in night recordings, old material in low resolution. All of this happens before editing, and this is where a lot of people struggle. Today I'm going to show you a tool that doesn't replace your video editor, but solves exactly this critical stage of the process. It's about turning imperfect videos into clean, stable material that's ready for professional editing. Alright, so let's get to the video. VideoProc Converter AI is software designed to solve real media problems before editing. It's not Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut, and that's exactly its advantage. The idea here is very simple. You take a bad, imperfect, unstable, or low-resolution video, process it with AI, and that's it. You give your editor much cleaner, more consistent footage. This makes all the difference for those who create content on YouTube, record vlogs, tutorials, reels, courses, or work in professional video editing. And most importantly, it's easy to use and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. In practice, most of a video's problems don't come from editing. They come from recording. Like shaky video from recording without a tripod, or a blurry image after zooming in or cropping, heavy noise during a recording, old or overly compressed, or clips coming from different cameras with inconsistent quality. Fixing all of this inside the editor is slow, demanding, and frustrating. And this is exactly where VideoProc Converter AI comes in as a preparation tool, not an editing tool. Alright guys, so today I want to talk to you about VideoProc Converter AI. I'll leave the link right here in the description of this video so you can download and install it on your computer. Once the installation is finished, you'll come across this interface here where there are several artificial intelligence features that will help you improve your content. Let's start with the most impressive one. This one here, Super Resolution. Basically, what does it do? It allows you to increase the resolution of blurry or low quality videos, making the image much sharper and clearer. And what is this ideal for? For old videos, for clips recorded in 720p or 1080p with terrible quality that needed cropping or zooming, or even some content that was reused. So you can upload your material here and use artificial intelligence to improve the quality of this video. Let's see how this works in practice. So, the first thing you'll have to do is upload your video here to VideoProc. Notice that here on the left side, I have a video that's in pretty rough shape. The image here is kind of blurry, it's not good, the quality is really bad. Notice that as soon as I upload it, it already gives me a preview here of how my video will look. But this can be improved even more. Why? Because here I can choose the artificial intelligence model that I'll use to improve the quality further. So I have some models available here. Each one of them corresponds to a different type of video. GenDetail V3 is the updated model, faster than version 2. It generates more details, offers more clarity and sharpness. Real Smooth V3 is another enhanced AI model trained to restore imperfect images and eliminate flaws, providing greater fidelity, enhanced clarity, and a smoother appearance. Anime is a restoration model created for anime videos and images. It is trained on millions of anime data points. And finally, Zixt. It aims to develop practical algorithms for general video and image restoration trained with purely synthetic data. So, you can test and see which of these models fits best for the video you want to enhance. So, using GenDetail V3 here, this is the original video, and this is the video after being enhanced. Let's change the model. I'm going to use Real Smooth now. So, once again, original video and enhanced video now with Real Smooth. Here I can also choose the scale of this video. So I have 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. I'll leave it at 3 times here. So the quality should be even better. I can also adjust the resolution. Here, in this case, it's at 1920 by 1080p. But I can go up to 4K, that's what we're going to do. I'll choose 4K here. It's already finished running the inference, original video, enhanced video. In this side-by-side view, you can really notice the difference. Now, if I don't want to change the scale or the resolution, I can just set it here to improve my video. Then, you choose which one looks better. Personally, I like the 4K and also the Real Smooth model here. Before saving, you can choose the codec H.264 HEVC, AV1, or ProRes. Everything is available here. The format can be MP4, MKV, or MOV. And here in the quality level, we can choose between low, medium, high, and super high. I'll leave it on super high. Once that's done, just click Run. Done, it's already finished here. Let's see how it turned out. I'll put them side by side, the original video and the enhanced video. Just look at the difference. On the left side, the enhanced video. On the right side, the original video. It's impressive. See how it manages to improve the quality of my video. Another amazing tool here inside VideoProc is this one, frame interpolation. How does it work? Well, this is to solve a classic problem. You have those videos that keep freezing or have a low frame rate. What does this AI function do? It creates intermediate frames to make the movement much smoother. So, let's see how it works. I'll click here on frame interpolation. The process always starts with you uploading the material here. Before that, I'll show you the original video. Take a look at what this video looks like. It looks like it's frame by frame, right? So, we're going to try to improve this, making it much smoother. Now, I'll click here on the arrow to upload. Video selected. It already gives me a preview here. Let's see how it looks. Notice that, without changing anything just in the preview, it jumped here from 12 FPS to 24 FPS. And the quality, the smoothness got much better. Here in the side menu, I still have the option to increase or decrease the sensitivity. So, you can keep adjusting here until you find the ideal quality. So, here I'm on the option to insert frames, but I can also create a slow motion effect. So, if I select here, it automatically makes the video slower. So, you have these two options here, either slow motion or to insert frames and get rid of that frame by frame effect you have in those videos that keep freezing. Let's go. They have a low frame rate. Another very important thing, here you can increase the number of FPS. Another thing, in this preview here, it's doubling, but now I'm going to set it to 4 times. Let's see how it turns out. You can see it got even better. So now I have 48 FPS, and my original video only had 12. Shall we set it to 5? The inference is done. Now I have 60 FPS. Let's play it, and it's a complete transformation, right? Really, that video that was lagging, it looked like it was frame by frame. Now it's completely smooth with 60 FPS. In other words, professional quality. Did you like the result? Once again, just click Run and save the video to your computer. Now let's go to the side-by-side comparison. On the right side here, the original video with only 12 FPS. On the left side, the improved video from VideoProc with 60 FPS. Look at the difference. It's really impressive how the video improved by VideoProc, the one on the left, turned out so much better, much smoother, because now it's at 60 FPS and the original only had 12. Now, I can also use VideoProc to stabilize a video. And why is this important? Well, if you happen to record a vlog, do some behind-the-scenes stuff or anything with the camera in your hand, you don't have a professional tripod there to use. The image can get all shaky, and then you'll notice that this excessive amount of shaking isn't good. And it will hurt your work, especially if you're doing something professional. So let's go. I'll show you how you can stabilize a video here in VideoProc. I'll click here on Stabilization. First, I'll show you the shaky video. There, the video is loaded. I'll ask it to analyze here. It's already analyzed. Let's see how it looks in the preview. Check out the difference. On the left side, the original video, all shaky and moving, and on the right side, much better, with the video already stabilized. But I still have some options here to make this video even better. I have here, better stability, faster, balanced, minimal crop. I can also choose the border color here so there's not too much difference. And the crop, if I want something fixed, dynamic, or customized. Because whenever it does this stabilization, it's going to crop the image a bit. So here you can choose how you want to do that. I'll get another example now so we can see if there's any difference. On my left side, the original video without stabilization. On the right side, the stabilized video. Let's see the difference. Look how it turned out. All shaky here on the left side. And much more stable here on the right side. See how much better it looks. So, if you're doing any kind of professional work, having a stabilized video ready to send for editing saves a lot of time. So guys, give it a try. I'll leave the link right here in the description of this video. Besides these tools I showed here, there are many others available here in VideoProc. For example, there's an audio enhancer where you can upload your material here and improve the quality of your audio file. You can also do this to enhance images, and then you choose the resolution if you want to make it 4K. Anyway, you select what you want and improve the quality of your image. Besides that, you also have a video converter here. There's also an option here to download videos from the internet, compress videos, and record your screen. So, there are several tools all in just one app. So, give it a try. Then come back here in the comments to tell me what you thought of VideoProc Converter AI. Cool, right? So, if you want to edit better, the first step is to start editing with better material. VideoProc Converter AI doesn't replace your editor. It makes your editor much more efficient. I'll leave the link in the description and in the first pinned comment so you can try it out and check out the lifetime license version. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.